Are you struggling with an error while trying to upload your Proguard mapping file? It can be incredibly frustrating when things don't work as expected, especially after an upgrade. Stick around because today we are going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand your frustration. Upgrading to a new version of Android Studio and encountering errors can feel like a major setback. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when adapting to new updates. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user upgraded to Android Studio 3.0 Canary 3 and Gradle 4.0-Milestone 1 all. They attempted to run the task to upload the Proguard mapping file, but received an error stating, "Cannot create tasks to upload Proguard mapping file. .java.lang.IllegalStateException. Resolving configuration Android test annotation processor directly is not allowed." Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's going on here? This error typically arises due to changes in how dependencies are evaluated in the newer versions of Android Studio and Gradle. It can be a bit tricky, but understanding the root cause is the first step toward finding a solution. And make sure to stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of time and headaches when working with Gradle. To resolve the issue with uploading the Proguard mapping file, the user should first check their Gradle configuration. It's important to ensure that the correct version of the Firebase Crashlytics plugin is being used. Next, the user should update their app-level build.gradle file. They need to ensure that the Proguard rules are correctly set up and that the Firebase Crashlytics dependency is included. After updating the dependencies, the user should synchronize the project with Gradle files. This step ensures that all changes are applied correctly. Finally, the user can attempt to run the upload task again. They should use the command line to execute the Gradle task for uploading the Proguard mapping file. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Android Studio was released in 2013? Just like any software, it has evolved significantly since then. But with evolution comes new challenges. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests adding a specific class path to your build Gradle file. They recommend using class path com.google.firebase, Firebase plugins 1.1.5 to resolve the issue. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your dependencies updated and regularly check for compatibility issues after upgrades. This simple habit can save you from many headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the error and successfully upload your Proguard mapping file. Remember, staying updated and proactive can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.